Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail World, what it do, man. We finished this first car today, which is this Volvo XC90. We got the car completely clean, exterior, interior done. Car don't not really that dirty like the other cars I do. She keep her car fairly clean. I see she have a dog, but it ain't like she seem like she keep her dog in her car a lot. It's a very faint dog hair, so that's a good thing. But think about this car to make it easy to clean up. I don't know what type of leather. Volvo uses, but Volvo uses some pretty cool leather. And then they plastic is a different type of leather. If you see it, they got a little bit of imprint on it, but most plastic just be flat plastic. But like I said, we got the car completely done, man. Trying to get a little bit of work more done before it rained. It's supposed to rain a little later today. So our next customer got two cars for us. She got a Discovery and I think a Ford. So we're finna go ahead and head there now, knock those out. Like I said, we got this car completely done. Got the car looking immaculate. I know she's definitely enthused with the work. She's been using my services about 2-3 years. She actually got my information from her neighbor next door. But like always, y'all do what y'all gotta do, because y'all already know I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Stick to the script, man. Stay courageous, man. Go out here and find out what it is that you want to do in life. Don't let them tell you what it is, man. And on that note, like always, man, be great. And I'm going to catch y'all at the next one. Peace. Detail World, what it do, YouTube. Right now, we're working on this Ford F-150 Platinum Edition. If you can look at the car, you see it extremely dirty. Exterior of the car is dirty. Interior of the car, we already got it clean, but it was pretty dirty in here. If you look at the match will actually tell you how dirty the inside was. But we already got the whole interior of the car done. Got it looking immaculate. We detailed it up and everything. So they definitely gonna be happy about the work. But we about to go ahead and start on this exterior. Make sure we get these wheels clean, pull out the vacuum, things of that nature. But we already got everything completely done on this car, on the interior. Now we about to focus on this exterior. But like always, man, do what y'all gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, please. Detail World, what it do. Y'all remember those the wheels was brown looking, but we got them back to the chrome shine. But we actually got this Ford completely done in and out. Took us a little bit time to get it done, but we got it done, man. You know, first time I ever did. Her husband probably done her car several times. About to go ahead and park, pull up the other car, stall on them real quick. But y'all already know, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So you take pride in whatever you do, remember, it's not a big issue. Just knock it out, do it, and just stick to it, man. Like I said, it was a little dirty inside, but we got it looking great. But y'all already know, man, when I tell y'all take pride in whatever y'all do, it's nothing. But go ahead and pull up the next car and get started for this rain come. And like always, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Detail World, what it do, man. We didn't finish this Land Rover Discovery P something 525 or P3 something. I know it got a P and some numbers on it, but what is this? This is actually P360 Discovery. We got the whole car knocked out in and out. It was a little dirty on the inside, but it started to rain a little bit, so I tried to hurry up and do what I need to do before the rain officially come down. But I don't know if we still got one more car to do. I'm finna text her right now, see if she still want me to come or she want to wait till this rain passes by. But the car came out fine. It looks amazing. I know she's going to be enthused with the work. She definitely was enthused about her husband's truck. But like always, y'all already know we take so much pride in the work we do up here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. I hope you do whatever you got to do so I can do what I got to do, or you do what you got to do so I can do what I got to do. Remember, stay consistent, persistent, and relentless. And remember, you can't love nobody if you don't love yourself, because it's fake. You know what I mean? You give all the love to the world, but can't stand yourself, or you got so many doubts about yourself, you just don't know about yourself. So take the time and do some research on yourself. Stop doing this research on the internet about other things. Research yourself. But on that note, like always, man, one love, and like always, man, peace. Detail World, YouTube, what it do, man. We done made it out here to the first stop, out here in Bellevue, Brentwood / Tennessee. Right now we're working on this Infiniti QX8, a big truck, big old truck. But right now we're just working on the interior. Right now the sun finally coming out. It was raining a little bit. If you can look, ground still wet, wall on the car. But we got this side of the car already knocked out. We worked on this side first, you know. So we got this whole side of the car already done. We already wiped down the seats, got under the seats, did the carpet, did the carpet, wiped the back of the seats. Now we're working on this side right here where you can see your typical debris, your sticks, your twig, a little bit of hair, a little bit of snacks, things like that. But we already got the doors wiped down. We still got to get back here in the back. We haven't got back here yet. If you see, it still has some mud, dirt, things like that. If you look at the door, how I got these running marks, like water running down, so we're gonna get that. If you look at the carpet, still got a little bit of debris here. We still got to do this front part. Make sure we clean the doors. If you look at the doors are pretty dirty. So we're gonna get in here and get it cracking, man. Y'all already know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. Like always, be consistent, persistent, relentless. Remember, man, consistency beats everything. You gotta be willing to put in the effort, man. And don't give up on yourself, man. Be grateful, have that gratitude. Remember, man, you gotta believe in what you want, and believe in what you want is what you gotta achieve, if I said that right. But anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Well, not the next one. I'm gonna show you the results after this, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute, bitch. Detail World, YouTube, Detail World, what it do, man. We finally got this Infiniti Q8 done, man. Got the whole car. I mean, this is a Nissan Armada. My bad, y'all. I thought it was an Infiniti first, but we got the whole car completely done. You see the wheels, they got a glow. Remember, they were not shining like that. Had that very dull look. The front of the car was riddled with bugs. You remember the car had a little gray hue look to it, but we got the whole car completely done in and out. We're actually about to head to the next stop. Bad thing about that, gotta stop at Home Depot because my hose just busted. So I need my hose. So I'm gonna run to Home Depot and then head to my other stops. They already let them know that I'm running late, so they cool with that, and that's a great thing. But like always, man, we still got 1, 2, 3, 4 more cars to do. And like always, I'm gonna catch you at the next one. Peace. Detail World, what it do? YouTube, what it do, man? We done made it to the second stop, man. Like I said, we had to go get a new hose. The hose broke, so had to go to Home Depot to buy a whole new hose. But we got this car completely done in and out. Took a little time to get it done because I haven't done this car in a few years. Probably did this car about 1.5 years ago, if that. But the car looks immaculate, came out well. He had paint on the side of his car, which I tried to get off. I got some stuff to get paint off, but that paint is really embedded in the paint. I mean, on the paint of the car. But you look at the interior of the car, I got that light color. I know Mercedes-Benz is the only company I know that uses this light color like that a lot on their cars. But like always, y'all know we take so much pride in the work we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And this is a S450. We got it all done. Gonna go ahead and let them know we done parking and stuff like that. So continue to be great, man, and we can be great together. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.